Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope everyone's doing good today. So in this video, I have removed my old design, so you're gonna see a little bit of clear acrylic left over on my nails. I took away the lifting and I prepped my cuticles and my natural nails. I applied dehydrator and primer. I applied my form. I got this form from Amazon and it's just an extra long length form. I didn't have anything like this and I didn't have any tips that were this long, and I really loved using these, so I'm gonna have the link in the description box if you want to try them out. So I'm going in with my number 12 oval alpha brush with clear acrylic and I'm just creating my coffin shape. I'm going all the way to the number 4 on all of the nails. I'm going to show you guys the application process for a couple more nails, and then I will be back after filing to explain the rest of the process.
Close your eyes. Would you dream for me? Some paradise. Tell me who you see, 'cause I think I do want you next to me. Want you next to me, but does this work? 'Cause I know I can't get to you. I like the chase, and I know you do too. Am I just in love with the idea of you? 'Cause I'd cross across a million seas. Would you do that for me? Yeah, I'd fly this whole world twice if I could be your paradise. Dream for me, some paradise. Tell me who you see, 'cause I think I know what you mean to me. What you mean to me, but does this work? Only 'cause we never say what we think. Waiting for the perfect way. Time zone speak. Got me on delay. 'Cause across a million seas, would you do that for me?
So I just want to show you guys some swatches of these really cute Madame Glam gel polishes that I received. I could not for the life of me decide which color to use because they're all so pretty. I love all of these so much. So I wanted to ask you guys, what kind of looks do you want to see me use with these in future videos, because I'm definitely going to be using them. But in the video for today, I'm using the metallic purple, and I think the name is Cuticle.
Would you do that for me?
Put down your no wipe top coat first, and then with long smooth strokes put down a layer of the metallic gel polish. It's very, very thin and runny, so you want to be careful it doesn't like flood your cuticles or anything, and you want to make sure you have enough on your brush for the entire nail, because if it gets too dry and like makes a lot of marks and stuff, it can look not as smooth in the final result. So you don't want to mess with it too much. You just want to like try to do as few strokes as possible, and then you want to cure this for like 3 minutes and really let that cure because it dries to a metallic finish. And I do 2 layers of this just so that it's completely opaque, and I will cure that once again. And then I'm going to seal that in with Madame Glam's No Wipe Top Coat Gel, and I'm just floating this over the nails, and I'm trying to be as gentle as possible so I don't disturb my metallic finish, and making sure that it's super cured and dried really helps. I really love how these look kind of like a chrome. You can't really tell like what it is. Is it a chrome? Is it a gel? Like what's going on? So I ran out of my Zule's Bling adhesive, so I'm just using builder gel in this video to just apply some stones. I'm using some pink SS20 hot pink rhinestones, and they are not the best quality stones. When I washed my hands after my stone application, the pink color pretty much started like fading away, so in the final result you won't really see the pink too much. But the other stones that I used are called Rainbow, Yeah, they're called rainbow, I think. And I will have the link to those stones on eBay, and I'm just putting them around my cuticle area.
Still as a breeze, a river flowing deep. Don't wanna leave the air you breathe. Living mirrors dreams when I think of you and me. Don't wanna leave the world you see.
And then on my ring finger, I'm going to use some stones from GearBest to make a little cluster, and the link will be in the description box for these. Because I was using builder gel, they were sliding around so much. I should have used acrylic, but I ran out of monomer doing these super long nails. So I just put it in the lamp, and before it started curing right away, I just started like pinching the stones together and held them in place, and that seemed to work. And then at the very top, I'm gonna put a little crystal clear point back. So this is the finished result. I hope you guys enjoyed these nails. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and leave me a comment. Thank you so much for watching and supporting, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!
Just listen to the